Talo pa nga ako.
Oh, Lester. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, dito lang pala pinagdapardo. Pahardo. Oh! First foul left. Number 7. Oh, yes. Binabati po ni Melvin si...
Second personal foul ni Oyet. Penalty.
Kayalili ng Kakarong. First shot ni Pahardo, wala.
Oras, 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Oh, it's never good goal. De La Cruz, number 30 pa daw de la bola para sa Saints. Jerry, oh, shot. It's no good. Shakir, pinasa bad pass. Nagawa ni Jerry. Bigyan ni Jerry on the pass. Oh, Lester. Lester. Oh, Lester on the dribble. Nagagawa pa sa atin ang Salvador Raymond. Foul.
Time out.
Foul number 10.